Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to wear two hairs on Roblox Mobile. Firstly, open a web browser on your computer, tablet or phone, then go to roblox.com. Click the three lines menu in the upper left corner, then select Avatar from the drop-down menu. Just note that this cannot be done through the Roblox app. Now in the avatar editor, click the body menu, then select hair. Click to equip the base hairstyle you want for your avatar, then to add another hair on top, find the next hairstyle you want in your inventory or catalog. Right click on the hairstyle and select copy link address. Now scroll down the avatar page and click on the advanced option under your own hairstyles, and in the first available asset ID field, pass the copied link address. Click Save and a pop-up will ask you to confirm overriding your current look. Just click Save again and your avatar will update with multiple hairs layered together. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.